Hello，大家好，而家教你哋喺 Q&A 級呢邊點樣做 consolidated e-invoice。首先，你哋要走嚟 Q&A 級咗之後，你哋咧係落去呢個 navigation 深藍色嘅，你哋揾 e-invoice，揾咗 e-invoice，你 click 一下佢，佢會出現 e-invoice e-invoice advisor、e-invoice PowerShell 係咪？你就揾第四行 consolidated e-invoice，然之後你撳一下佢。佢就會出現 consolidated e-invoice 嘅畫面出嚟，佢有分 sales 同埋 sell bill 嘅。首先呢度，咁 consolidated sales 呢度，我哋首先做 consolidated sales 嘅話，你就要 add 上高嘅新藍色嘅 add 咗之後，佢會出現 generate consolidated e-invoice sales 嘅係咪？佢會出現 consolidated method、internal consolidated 嘅，就冇理佢，你記住 internal consolidated。之後就係 consolidated e-invoice type。如果你係做 submit sales e-invoice 嘅嚟講 ，consol 到啦cash sales 同埋 sales invoice、sales CN 同埋 sales DN 嘅，就呢個冇理佢，唔使改。document 佢係跟住你哋嘅電腦嘅一日下，你哋確保你哋嗰一日喺1號到10號之間就得㗎啦。之後下邊 transaction date range 呢個係揀你哋上一個月，比如話講，而家我係2月。我要做上一個月嘅 sales 全部，所以就要撳1號到至31號到年尾咁樣。之後 document generate 佢有4個先可以做 consol 嘅，其他嗰啲全部唔做得。所以但你係有 cash sales、sales invoice、sales DN 同埋 sales CN 嘅，你都可以撳。如果你係分開都分開 submit 亦都得，你可以按呢兩個 DN、CN， 你可以只係愛 sales invoice 啫，唔愛 cash sales， 咁你都可以只係撳 sales invoice 都得。咁而家我係要全部一齊嘅，全部一齊嘅話，我可以全部啲晒，再撳 generate， 咁多 generate， 佢就會幫我 create consolidated e-invoice successfully， 佢就會帶埋全部 cash sales 同埋 sales invoice、cash sales 同埋 sales invoice 嘅。咁呢度或者會帶埋全部未到單張嘅 e-invoice 過嚟，咁我只係要睇呢度有幾多，佢呢度有2個 ，OK， 如果你嗰邊又有100幾個，之後你就可以撳 submit invoice， 你撳呢個 submit， 佢就會出現 submit e-invoice，Are you sure to submit this e-invoice？ 你撳 OK， 佢就會直接 submit 上去俾 RHDN， 然之後 RHDN pending 佢就會變係 ready 㗎啦 ，ready 咗你再撳 preview 嘅話。佢就會出現一個 format， 係寫住你嘅 consolidated 邊一張單係已經 submit 咗上去，同埋佢總數幾多嘅，總數全部嘅 sales 上個月嘅 sales 總單，呢個就係佢嘅 consolidated QR。咁樣就搞掂㗎啦，唔該。